Today we'll talk about how can you set a status on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just come here to update your status here. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here add your status here. So then here can you select. When you're down, you just go above here, save, you click on it. So then it's going to save with you here when you add your status here in this list on your Slack app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.